Bwana Kalichini in the field. Today we've got rather a different type of education for you. We're going to talk about plants, botany. We're going to look at this beautiful tree. Yeah, this is the African sausage tree, Kigelia africana. This is one of the most abundant trees here in South Luangwa National Park. It's one of the most important trees. Yeah. So ecological roles of this tree. You know, this tree helps in the maintaining the carbon levels in the atmosphere. You know, we understand the process. You know, us when we inhale oxygen, we exhale carbon monoxide, and you know these plants, you know, they inhale the carbon that we exhale, and they, you know, release oxygen for us to exhale. You know, making it a cycle. So that's one of the cycle. That's one of the ecological roles. Yes. When you look at social economic roles for this tree, usually it's not used for timber. Yeah. Medicinal qualities for this tree is that those people who are anemic, yes, those people who are anemic, it is believed that you know, they cut this fruit into some pieces, soak it in water, and when they ingest the water, their condition improves. Yes. So this beautiful species is food to about 17 to 18 species of animals in this park. Yes, it's a very important plant. Birds feed on it, you know. Even these land mammals that we are seeing in the background, you know, there are some that feed on this tree. So this is a very important tree, Kigelia africana, the African sausage tree. So the myth behind this tree is that it is used to enhance sexual activity and you know, the enlargement of sexual organs. However, that has not been proved scientifically. Those are just cultural myths, yes, that are believed. Yeah, they've not been proved and they've not been tested. So it's just a myth that it helps to enlarge the male reproductive parts and also increases the, you know, yeah, the sexual appetite. So that's it about the Kigelia africana. Yeah, it's a very common tree here in South Luangwa. You encounter it almost anywhere. Yeah, so being a good wildlife police officer means you have to be a good botanist because, you know, a forest consists of trees. Trees are the homes of wildlife. They create the cover. So in as much as you understand wildlife, you have to understand trees. Yeah, one of the ecological roles, you know, yeah, shelter for these wild animals, you know. Yeah. So this is the Kigelia africana. I hope you learned something from Bwana Kalichini, African sausage tree. Yes, guys. Cheers. One.